There's so many individuals out there that are so talented in different things that never accomplish anything. The world is filled with talented people, and they never accomplish anything. The body has limitations, the mind does not. We focus so much on what goes on from the neck down that we forget it all starts from here. If you're not mentally ready, you're never really physically prepared.
Hi, good morning, team Skylife. How you doing? I just came on here to show my skin improvements. Like, I don't have on any foundation. Normally I put on foundation to cover up my spots, but I realize that my spots them not all that bad. A spot here when I saw my birthmark. But the spot them on my face, like, it has improved immensely. And this is a courtesy of the water that I've been drinking. I only drink water only. And I haven't been drinking any apple cider vinegar for like a week or two now. I took a break. But my skin though has been glowing. My God. Eyebrows on fleek. I'm gonna start practice with my eyebrow then. Just a catch on and same thing. So yeah, you don't know. As usual, on my way to work. Hard working lady. Work for a while go. Get paid. Anyways, guys, thank you for the support that I've been getting. I've seen that persons have been asking me the questions that I wanted them to ask me in terms of starting your YouTube channel. Maybe there's something that you don't know how to do. You just drop a comment below and I'll be sure to answer you, or I'll just do a video on it and put it on the channel just to help you, because I want all of us to start vlogging. Peace, later. So guys, I come home to my video in here and I this me see flowers. I like them push to the corner. Pure flowers in my video in here. So mommy bees. Yes. Oh my God, I'm so dark. Where now? What me tell you? Hi.
Just guys, me head on do. This guys me look like.
You don't know it's a girl MELICASKYLIFE in the building. Behave no? Yo! No, I know that me not see.
Meta, please to just be quiet. You look at time you got road.
Yo, you don't know. Oh yeah. Yo, you don't know it's a girl MELICASKYLIFE representing for the team. Yo! I wanted them. Guys, I'm so dark. I'm on the road now. Going on the road. My cousin right there. You can't see me with dark.
You look like one mother of 10.
I like me look 16. Me look 16. Me here no comb. We just come from work, but Tywin up a road, so we are go film now. Tywin! I am that?
No, you did.
Oh.
No. Yes.
Tywin! Come on, you will come for.
Well, you know that in my young days I was at...
Hey, what the dog ya? Ramp with me.
When I was a young girl, young fresh, you know, ma'am.
So guys,
I had all the young ones coming after me. But all that I have learned throughout my life is that you should get your education. Because your education will never leave you. You hear I said to you, my young...
behave not true.
After you invite me to come road. You want to
kick you now, you know. Sure. Okay guys, so today I'm going to work. I'm just come straight home after work. I'm going to each on the road. I have to study, because you know, so we have to pass the test there. Close off the semester with a bang. Bang, bang, bang. I'm tired of that. I'm going to exercise. I'm going to exercise like 2 weeks now. Pretty. I kind of want my booty. I lost my booty. All of it. I kind of want. Are you come for boy Pitney? Camera light up. Lights, camera. Chantel have nothing about you. Mommy, I have a bone for pick at you. Why? Wait. Why you put your flowers in my video area? Tell Skylife TV why you put your flowers in my video area.
Skylife TV, you will like my flowers.
I show me can video in front of it.
You can sit down in front of it.
Tell me.
You can sit down in front of it.
Tyrone,
Where you go? Where you go?
think I come for.
I will come for this.
Are you come for? Time to come off our road.
Good night.
Yo, come on.
Yeah, morning, Kevin.
Come, Tywin! Video me, mama go catch him. Video me, no?
You know exercise?
No. Hey, boy. Hey, boy. Hey, boy. What you beat up buggy for?
Them say when up here and nobody never did that trouble you. Dance to them. Tyrone.
What's a dance me? I'm gonna carry down.
Man, I step in a doodle.
Come here, so Tywin. What?
Dance to them.
Dance, I'm gonna carry down. Hi, hi. Woo! That's just stay up a road, Tywin. That's just stay up a road.
Oh, put on your shoes.
My camera darker when it's something come on. I see you, Crave.
I'm not cooking.
Come on, that light. So, guys, that's basically what we're doing now. We're on the road with Tywin. Buggy right there. Mommy right there. Chantel over there. It's kind of dark, so I'm gonna sign out. Punky gonna school. So later, guys.
Start that.
Shake it. Shake it. Hold them, Tywin. Hold them. Hold them. Hold them. Get up. No, oh, God. This is Chantel right here.
Hi, people.
Punky right there. The kinde. Tywin right here. Say hi, Tywin. Might not drop off that bed. Oh, my face come up so well on there. Take two. I'm going to fix the screen. It's too big in it. This is more like it. Look better. Guys, you don't know about my bun. I want to do a tutorial on this bun. And baitings. You don't know it's a girl MELICASKYLIFE in the building. Yo! I want to do them. That body though. Checking them out. That body though. Guys, good morning. Good morning. Some people they might catch me, never know some people now. Yo, Renta.
Yes. Well, actually, what happened?
Renta.
We took along the
Renta.
baton and we passed it on
Vani.
to Kids Hub.
Hey, Vani there.
And
Good morning, Auntie Gita.
for the
Where Vani?
as you heard from John Mark, it's not
Where you gone? Work?
about drugs.
Where my work?
And I will tell you,
Okay.
it's just great to watch
It's a vlog. Say hi. It's a vlog. Vlog. So, me video it. Want to see me a tear up? Me full of tears yesterday. Me proud of her, man. Yes. Yeah. Good morning. So yesterday at church was so emotional. Like my grandmother got baptized. Like me can't video in peace. Me a tear up. So I'm the day a ball now. Ear punky. Let me rock there. It was so funny. Punky was like, Melika, let me rock there. Oh God, I'm proud of you, mama. Big up yourself. Comment below and big up mama. Tell her say I'm proud of her. You know, that's a big step. My grandmother, like, you know, such an inspirational lady. If you sit down and reason with her, them people they come from far. When, like, mama has 7 kids. And like, she say, she used to plant like yam and stuff to feed them. She not beg people things. They used to eat like coconut and sugar. Them never have it. Them did poor growing up. And when my grandfather died like a year ago. And it was so emotional for me. It's still kind of easy if I look at the picture of them right now. Look at me and frighten me, you know. Think of one dog. If I kind of look on the pictures right now, I want to cry because I see where my grandfather has, like, before he died, he changed immensely. You know, if you didn't know my grandfather, I'm if I tell you. And over time, I've seen the changes in him. See, I'm a vlog me there, pan. Come here. Come carry me, guy. El Greco, no? El Greco. You must be mad. My youth, me want to deal. It's alright. Yeah, guys, so it was so inspirational for me yesterday, and you know, I have a piece of proud feeling in myself. My grandmother always tell me, say, if we make she proud, and who must come out better than how she came out, you know. And you know, she really work hard. She have a nice house, she have nice kids, and she's really a good, genuine lady, me I tell you. When I don't want to taste her cooking, I'm if I tell you, bite off on your finger and be things. Anyways, guys, I'm still recording at this point, but my computer is down. I don't have a computer. I say my laptop gonna work, Penny. In truth and in fact, I really want like a MacBook Pro, you know, for upgrade my editing skills. I have some mama studio lights them also now, but I really want to upgrade my editing skills. And that is to say this: you never want to stuck at the same level. You ever want to improve on what you do. You understand? And yeah, it's a girl MELICASKYLIFE. Now, guys, also I've lost a lot of weight. I kind of ease down on the exercise right now because I've been studying and going to school, and you know, exam time I come up. But the belly gun is on the Big Cartel website if you want to get snatched. And comment below if you would want to get a hold of the exercising belt that I use. If you follow me on Snapchat, you'll see the exercise belt that I use. Follow me on Snapchat, by the way, MELICASKYLIFE. How me hype so? No, I can keep a party all by myself. Guys, I've been through a lot over this past couple of months. You wouldn't even understand if me tell you don't think I lie, me I tell. And I always keep my smile. Never you lose your smile, guys. Never ever lose your smile. Guys, thanks for stopping by my channel. You don't know, it's a girl MELICASKYLIFE. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up. Hit that subscription button. Good morning. You don't know, it's a girl MELICASKYLIFE in the building, representing for the team. Yo! How are the dem? Good morning, guys. It's a beautiful day today. It's a beautiful day. No, Pookie, we can't believe. It's a beautiful day. I'm looking for something dumb to do. Hey, baby, I think I want to marry you. Anyways, that's it. So, guys, when I walk so fast, my girl, I can't keep up. Can't laptop up in 1 minute. I'm on my way to school. Punky, I got school. It's an exam morning. It's an exam morning this morning. I have an exam at 1 and I have an exam at 5. Killer, 2 exams in 1 day, and I'm good. But that's what I'm doing today. Today, how which day is this? Today's Thursday. Damn! I'm popping. So we're on the road now, trying to get a cab. But I don't know see chromas. Yeah. When I see chromas in a long time. She crow me? Promote. Hey Wally, talk to Skylife. Tell them what you up to.
Skylife, anyways, what?
Move on from the camera.
Put up me. The time we are going to school, as we say, and thing, I go pick up 1 and 2. You know? Yeah, exam time soon comes, so you know, say shillings. What you say, Mel?
So me laugh too much, we can't take care of.
I'm a real pre man.
You only sitting so fool?
Oh, you want me Wally?
Like you just only fool. I don't know.
Alright,
Damn that quality though. I'm not telling you Stephanie, quality turn.
people them must have say, oh, we are walking, nobody not up on the road.
Because nobody up on the road?
Dead street we live.
Yeah, sun hot and thing.
The things. And see that outfit there already.
Oh my god, yes, repeat.
Yeah, well,
when
neat up.
when I have some clothes wanna just like I know that ladies they have like underwears and bras that they like to wear. Especially me. If me get a new set, like my living at them as in wash so. Me that again.
Back at it again. Hey, you know, say this edgy now make it shine. Have you know what you're doing?
Yeah, cause when the sun touches it starts to
And nothing good.
So yeah guys, that's what we're doing right now.
Peace.